Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Answer 3. Bradford pears will develop blackening of leaves from root stress problems, drought, too much water, root injury, etc. This is their form of leaf scorch. Fire blight is also a disease that affects Bradford pear.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Native alternatives for Bradford pear and other exotic flowering trees. For alternatives to these invasive flowering trees, Bradford and Callery pears, Pyrus calleriana, as well as empress tree, Paulownia tomentosa, mimosa, Albizia julibrisson, and golden rain tree, Coelruteria paniculata.
Let's help you make your mark.
15 to 25 years. The Bradford pear is very common, especially in cities, due to its tolerance for poor soil and pollution. The Bradford pear tree lifespan is 15 to 25 years, often topping out at 20 years. Despite its hardiness, it is genetically predisposed to a short life.
Take our lead.
As spring approaches, it's easy to spot Bradford pear trees bursting with white blooms that brighten the South Carolina landscape. But these harbingers of spring have an evil side that is so vile they should be eliminated, state foresters say. The trees can even smell bad at times, according to the Forestry Commission.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.